In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to code in Tableau. Whether you're diving into data visualization for the first time or looking to enhance your analytical capabilities, understanding how to code in Tableau is an invaluable skill. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to launch Tableau on your device. Whether you're on a PC or a Mac, just find that Tableau icon and give it a click. Once Tableau is open, you'll be greeted by the Start page where you can access your projects and data sources. Familiarizing yourself with this interface right off the bat is important, as it will be your main hub for creating impactful visualizations. Next, navigate to a Tableau worksheet. This is where the magic of data manipulation happens. Here, you'll want to head over to the top menu and click on Analysis. From the drop-down, select Create Calculated Field. If you're new to Tableau, you might wonder, what exactly is a calculated field? Well, it's essentially a new field that you create using a formula to transform your data in meaningful ways. Think of it as a way to create custom insights directly in your Tableau environment. Now pay attention to the calculation editor window that pops up. This is where you'll name your new calculated field. Naming is more than just a label. It's about clarity and effective communication within your visualizations. Choose a name that reflects what the calculation does. This will save you and your team time when revisiting the project later. Within this editor, you can start entering your formula. Tableau offers a robust set of functions, fields, and operators that you can use to craft your calculation. Whether you're using arithmetic functions, aggregations, or logical operations, Tableau's syntax is designed to be intuitive yet powerful. Here, creativity meets logic to address your specific data inquiries. Once you've entered your formula and double-checked it for accuracy, click OK. And just like that, your new calculated field will appear in the data pane to the left. This field is now part of your Tableau toolkit, readily available for deployment in any of your visualizations. Remember, calculated fields are a great way to customize your datasets and get more precise insights from your data. Their flexibility allows you to tailor your analysis to your specific needs, turning raw data into a story that can drive decision-making. By understanding these steps, you'll be empowered to delve deeper into data with Tableau's coding capabilities. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to code in Tableau. Keep practicing to build your confidence and explore the vast array of functions available to you. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!